How to fix ScreenFlow not uninstalling on Mac. Here's a script file that you can use to uninstall ScreenFlow from a Mac. #bin/bash #uninstall ScreenFlow on Mac #quit ScreenFlow if it's currently running. If grep x ScreenFlow/dev/null, then echo ScreenFlow is currently running. Please quit the application before continuing. Exit 1 #remove the ScreenFlow application echo uninstalling ScreenFlow. sudo rmrf/application/ScreenFlow.app #remove the ScreenFlow preferences echo removing ScreenFlow preferences. sudo rmrf $home/library/preferences/com/telestream.screenflow7.list. sudo rmrf $home/library/preferences/com-telestream.screenflow7.ls shared file list.list. sudo rmrf $home/library/preferences/com-telestream.screenflow7.ls shared file list.list.log file. #remove the ScreenFlow support files echo removing ScreenFlow support files. sudo rmrf $home/library/application support/ScreenFlow7 sudo rmrf $home/library/caches/com-telestream.screenflow7 sudo rmrf $home/library/cookies/com-telestream.screenflow7.binary cookies sudo rmrf $home/library/log/ScreenFlow7 echo ScreenFlow has been successfully uninstalled. Exit 0 to use this script. Open a text editor, such as TextEdit, and copy and paste the code above into a new file. Save the file with a .sh extension, example uninstall-screenflow.sh. Then, open the terminal app on your Mac and navigate to the directory where you saved the script file using this. For example, if you saved the file on your desktop, you can type cd/desktop and press enter. Next, make the script executable by typing the following command and pressing enter, mod +x uninstall-screenflow.sh. Finally, run the script by typing the following command and pressing enter, /uninstall ScreenFlow.sh. Follow the prompts to uninstall ScreenFlow from your Mac. For starters, use the recommended Clean My Mac X in this video guide.